Serious allegations of medical negligence have surfaced at the Patnagarh Subdivisional Hospital in Odisha's Bolangir district, where a senior pharmacist is accused of dispensing incorrect medicines to patients. The incident has triggered protests from patients' relatives and prompted an official inquiry. The Chief District Medical Officer CDMO Bolangir has ordered a probe into the matter. As of now, no disciplinary action has been initiated against the accused pharmacist, and his response to the allegations is awaited. The pharmacist has been identified as Naveen Nayak, who was recently promoted to the post of senior pharmacist. The alleged incident took place on Wednesday at the hospital's medicine distribution center. According to complaints, Nayak allegedly administered a tetanus toxoid TT injection to an elderly woman and continued dispensing medicines while seated. It has also been alleged that he informed patients that certain medicines were out of stock. Some locals further alleged that he was performing his duties under the influence of alcohol, calling it a serious threat to patient safety. They claimed that medicines dispensed did not match those prescribed.
पाटनागढ़ से राति 9 बजे नवीन नायक बोली जड़े फार्मासीस्ट ड्यूटी करथिले बोली मुई सुनली आ से ड्रिंक करी केंती कथा होतले तार कथार केंती खराब लागुला बोधे से सामना लोक कहून से वीडियो जहाँ मैं देखली जे सामना लोक कहून आप ड्रिंक करके ड्यूटी करछन बोलिकी आ भूल मेडिसिन देइथिबे कि काना डाक्टर तो रात ड्यूटी थिले डाक्टर मेडिसिन लिखिथिबे से मेडिसिन डिस्पोज कला बेले काना डिस्पोज करछन जे मैं नहीं जानी सेटा मैं एनक्वायरी करबी आ से एनक्वायरी रिपोर्ट एक्चुअली ऑर्डर कर देछि हमर ऑफिस रे जे से विषय एनक्वायरी करवा लगी एसडीएम पाटनागढ़ एनक्वायरी करबे आ एनक्वायरी रिपोर्ट आसला परे जहाँ एक्शन नेबार कथा तांकर विरुद्ध रे नै जिवो.
Following the incident, locals reportedly confronted the pharmacist and questioned his conduct. The episode has raised concerns regarding patient safety and monitoring mechanisms at the hospital. Questions are being raised over whether the alleged misconduct was an isolated incident or part of a larger pattern. Authorities are now examining the facts, and the outcome of the inquiry is awaited. Patients and residents have demanded strict action if the allegations are found to be true.